Hi friends, welcome to Sheila's Kitchen Tales. Look at this lovely looking recipe. This is the ragra patties, which is a super delicious chaat form, and it tastes really delicious the way it looks. You can see how mouth watering this looks. For that we will make the ragra first, and for that we will require these white dried peas or the white vatanas, which we will be washing thoroughly, and we will soak it for about 7 to 8 hours. After that we will take this soaked vatanas in a pressure pan, put some haldi powder, some bay leaf, some salt and little oil and stir this well, and we will cook this till our vatanas become very soft like this. Now we will do the tempering of the ragra. For that, in a vessel we will add some oil, heat it, and in that we will add the crushed ginger and garlic first. We will saute this well. Then we will add the chopped onions and some chilies, green chilies, and we will saute this well. Add some salt to it, and you can see that it has started turning brown. This is how we want our onions to be. And now in this we will add some haldi powder, red chili powder and some dhania jeera powder. We will saute this, and then into this we will add the boiled vatanas or the peas that we have boiled. Stir this all well. We will add some salt as per taste, some garam masala in it, and some water to adjust the consistency of the ragra. We will add some lime juice to it and stir this well and let it cook till it becomes of a good consistency. This is all ready. We will put off the gas and keep this aside. Now we will make the patties. For that I have boiled few potatoes, which I will smash it, and in a pan I will heat about 1 bowl of water, and after it boils I will put half a bowl of rava, that is the suji, into it, and mix this all well till it becomes soft. We can add a little more water so that it cooks well. After this gets cooked, switch off the gas and add the mashed potatoes to it. Mix all this well and take it in a vessel. Then we will add salt to taste, some hing powder to it, and some coriander and ginger and chili. We will make the patties with some masala. This gives a good taste to the patties. You can also make it plain, but this gives a very good flavor. Now with the help of some water in the palm, take a portion of the potato, mashed potato, and give it a good shape of a patty. In this manner, form the others also and prepare your platter of patties. This way I have prepared all of them. Now take a tawa, put some oil over it, and we will shallow fry these patties in this manner. You can also deep fry it, but the shallow fried ones turn out really good. They are nice and crispy. You can see how nice golden color it has turned out. Our patties are also ready. Now we will make the garlic chutney. For that we will require garlic, red chili powder, salt and some water. We will pound all the three things inside, and then we will add water to it, and we will make a thin paste of the chutney like this. Now we will make the spicy green chutney. For that we will require green chilies, peanuts, some haldi powder, salt, and we will crush all this into a mixer jar with some lemon juice in it. In this way I have made my green chutney. You can add chilies according to the spiciness you have. Now we'll make the dates and tamarind chutney. For that the tamarind and the dates have to be boiled first, crushed and then sieved. After that we'll add jaggery to it, salt to it, red chili powder and some dhania jeera powder, and we will make our khajur imli chutney. In this way all our chutneys are ready. we have made the tamarind chutney, that is the khajur imli chutney, the garlic chutney, that is the lasan chutney, and the green chutney. This is spicy and sour. All chutneys are ready. Now we will see how it has to be served. You can see my ragda is ready. The patties is also ready, nice and crispy. Then onions and coriander, some save, chutneys and some masala singh. In a platter we will place the patties first. Then we will pour in the hot ragda over it in this way. Then we will put some khajur imli chutney on it. You can add chutneys according to your taste. Add some garlic chutney, spiciness also according to your taste. Green chutney also. Then we will add some chopped onions over it, some farsan save over it, and the masala singh. I will add some more ragda over it and some red garlic chutney to enhance the look of it, and I will sprinkle some coriander leaves. Our platter of ragda patties is ready. You can see how tempting and delicious this looks. This is a super yummy chaat recipe which everyone likes, and I'm sure you're going to try it out. Do let me know how you liked my recipe. Comment in my comment section box in my channel.